Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and these are short video snippets designed to answer questions that you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be impacting your household. And for this week, I thought I'd talk specifically to those of you who are caregivers or caring for another family member, maybe an elderly family member or one who's just going through some illness. Or if you are planning ahead in case you are the one who may need a caregiver in the, let's say, in the far future. But I read this in an article a couple weeks ago, and I thought it was a good idea, and I kind of lived it, but not in as organized a way as I'm going to describe. So what I'm talking about is that emergency informational packet or kit. And so in the case where, let's say, something happens unexpectedly, that's how it typically works out, and you're caring for a person and you have to call 911, the ambulance comes, the paramedics come in, and you have no clue what medications this person is on, if he or she is allergic to any medication or anything, any other treatments maybe, or any other illnesses, underlying illnesses that may be going on. And so this is a way to kind of compact all of that information in one thing, so that it's easily accessible and you can easily transfer that information to the person needing it. Again, in a paramedics or emergency situation, they'll need to know quick, like Johnny on the spot, if they can administer certain things, or what's going on with this person, so we don't do more harm than good. Another thing or another item of information to keep handy in that packet would be physician's information, your doctor's information, either your primary care doctor's contact information, name and phone number at least. And then if that person is being treated for some other illness, who that specialty doctor might be. And then insurance information is always helpful as well when you end up going to a facility, a medical facility that's not the norm, especially in an emergency situation. So it's helpful to have that on hand as well. So I would encourage all of you to put together your emergency informational packet. From a medical standpoint, it will be really helpful for someone who's caring for you, or for you caring for another person, to have that information at hand. So with that said, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.